Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you this product that is a steam cleaner 2-in-1. This is an excellent product to make cleaning work. This for installation too, 99% of the installation, and includes 10 accessories for all your cleaning works that have right here. Let me show you. So for this product, you have to put water inside. The water already. And for that, came with these two accessories. So you have this accessory, this one that are like brushes for heavy duty cleaning. This one. This is for put the accessories. And last one is this, that is for cleaning too. So this for cleaning like glasses. This one is for glasses. You put it in cleaning place way with this black plastic part. So as you can see in this image, you can use it to clean your bathroom, some windows, your furniture, the wheels of your car. So it's an excellent product to all your cleaning works, and have a great capacity water, as you can see in this part of the box. So let me show you. This is the product, the steam cleaner. You put the water inside in this part, and you have to close correctly this, because the water gets so hot, and you can push here, and you can see with this vapor you can clean all the surfaces that you need. Have this security button, so you have to push it to the phone and then down. But if you don't push this part, you can go down. So that's for your security. So as you can see, this is a great steam cleaner, and the best part is that all the surfaces you clean with them will be 99% disinfected, so unsterilized. So I highly recommend this for your home and your cleaning works. See you.